Chan Gupta, the Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, my colleague judges, Justice M.V. Ramana, Justice Dhananjay, Justice Joseph, the other dignitaries in the dais, my brother and sister judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, the distinguished invitees, the members of the district judiciary, brothers and sisters. It's a very historic seminar. I would consider it as one more dawn in the history of the Indian democracy. We had a lot of sections of the society facing discrimination. Women was targeted and she was discriminated. Sati was the most evil practice. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, he heralded and got the Sati abolished. And thereafter several efforts are made to bring women, ensure the women's rights and to bring women in the mainstream and to give her the status and dignity. Then we had the problem of untouchabilities. Even prior to independence, efforts were made to bring them into mainstream and to ensure their rights. But two sections of the society were ignored, even after independence. One is transgenders, the other is the sexual work. The problem of sexual workers was considered more as an offense and legislations were enacted to penalize them. No ameliorative legislation was brought. The transgenders, because the Constitution declares, 14 declares that there shall not, 15 declares there shall not be discrimination on the sex. See, transgender is also a sex. We have not interpreted the provisions of the Constitution to include the transgenders. Hardly they are, numerically they are very small. It is not a very big problem to address. Only thing is we have to will to address to the problem and to bring them in mainstream. These sex workers and transgenders, by and large the transgenders are driven into as the sex workers. They are first shunned by their family and also shunned by the society. So it is necessary that yes, the Legal Service Authority has taken up the issue and we have made tremendous efforts in reaching them and making them aware of their rights. And it's a historic occasion in the history of the Karnataka High Court. The Honorable Justice Althamas Kabir, he came and gave an employment. A transgender is employed in the High Court of Karnataka. And we have taken several steps to reach out and make them aware of the rights and to bring them into the mainstream. But our efforts are always inadequate because the state should have a will and there should be a proper legislation to bring about schemes and methods to see that they are brought into the mainstream and they are given the modern education. Unless we address to these issues, the sex workers and to the transgenders, I think the success of Indian democracy would be an incomplete story. In this regard, very thoughtfully, the subject is taken and under the leadership of my Lord Justice P. Sadashivam, we are all gathered here and we get fully motivated and enthused to see that we serve the marginalized sections in an effective way. And I thank the authorities, the Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Andhra Pradesh Legal Service Authority for inviting us and giving this wonderful opportunity of sharing my views. Thank you, one and all.